My name is Jacqueline. I'm the CEO and founder of JOVIM Organic Soap Company. In my company, we make various products, but today I want to share with you one of the oils we add to our glow cream. This oil is called carrot oil. If you've been making carrot oil before, mixing it into the oil, maybe infusing it directly into the oil, then after a while it goes off or it molds or it smells funny, this one is different. Let me show you how we make carrot oil here at Jovins, and then we use partially or some of it for our glow creams. All right, if you're interested, watch to the end. Let's start. I'll take you quickly through what we need. I need a sieve, a container in which to drain the oil after it is ready. I need jars to store the oil. For this case, I'm going to use tightly sealed jars, glass jars, that I use here at Jovims. Some of them, we use them for our oils, scrubs, and anything that needs containing. But this time around, for demonstration purposes, I'll keep my oil in here. But I normally make a lot of carrot oil that cannot fit in just 2 jars. But for demonstration purposes, we shall use those jars. We'll need a cooking pot, any color, any size, depending on how much you need to use. I've already melted my coconut oil. I'm using organic coconut oil for this. Most of you use cooking oil. Cooking oil will make you, yes, carrot oil, but it will not be as good as the coconut oil. With the coconut oil, it has added benefit to your skin and also gently exfoliates your skin when you apply it. Then we have our carrots. I've washed them, prepped them. I've taken off the root part and the sharp parts, anything. So we're not peeling them. We are going to use them straight away. The other thing we have to use is a grater. If you don't have a blending machine, whatever it is, use a hand grater. This has 2 surfaces to it, a smaller side of sharp breadth and then a larger part that side. We shall use whichever side suits us. And then I'm using a board or anything that can contain the carrots. One thing I'll do is lay down this brown patch pepper, just because I don't want to be cleaning too much after, okay? Then because I'm using this for commercial purposes, I'm wearing gloves, okay? Let's go. Dear friends, I'll start by pouring the coconut oil into our orange pot, so that I can put it on fire or on the stove to start heating up, okay? Let me start with that. I'll put on my gloves. I'll need one of these cups. If you don't have these cups, measure the coconut oil so that it covers your grated carrot oil. Don't worry too much about the silver measure. There's a bit of oil left in here. I'll scrape it out. If you want to know how much exactly this measures, it has units, okay? It is 4 cups. This to the brim is 4 cups, okay, of coconut oil. I'm taking this to the stove such that it starts heating up. I'm going to start grating our carrots. They are already clean. I'm not peeling. I will start, this is too big, so I want to try this side, okay, to grate it. But before I start, I promise myself to lay down a cardboard so that I don't have to clean after, okay? This is quite a very handy grater. It keeps everything inside very fast. I added my grated carrots to the heated coconut oil. Okay. Yes, Jovim family, we are cooking our carrots. Make sure they cook to crispy until it's dry. So turn to low heat. I'm cooking at low heat and trying to mix from the bottom side that I don't let it burn. Okay, I'm sure all the water in the carrots will evaporate off. What you will be left with is our carrot oil, pure carrot oil, made with coconut oil. Hi JOVIM family, I've finished cooking our carrot oil, left it down to cool. I want to show you how it looks when it's done. I'll use this ladle. Look at that. This is the color when it's cooked, properly cooked. It's now cooled down, okay? We are going to use these strainers or sieves to filter out the chaff. You should notice that they are double netted. It's not a single net, so they will do the filtering very well. I'll use this glass jar initially because it's easy to pour out from them, and then put it in my glass jars for keeping. Okay, let me bring you a bit closer. Let's strain our coffee. The pot is cool. Look, I'm handling it with gloves because it is cold now. I've been cooling it. Remember, keep water away from the finished product if you want it to last. Cider doesn't grow mold. Mold loves moist places, mainly water. Use clean, dry glass jars. All right? So this is filtering. Look at this. Let me bring you closer. Look. The filters are double netted. Not a single chaff has gone through. But if you don't have such a strainer, you can use either a cheesecloth, or you can use a wig cup, or you can cut a legging, and then use it to filter. I will not use that because I don't use it anyway. I use these stainless steel strainers that are wired but with double nets. These are double netted stainless filters or strainers, okay? For the small one, just to be sure, I'll use it again on the jar, but to be honest, there is not a grain of carrot in my oil. All right. I don't want to waste anything. I'll go back to my pot. Press it down to get all my oil out. I'm just pressing with a spatula to make sure all my oil is out. What I'll do, I'll sit this here to keep dripping so that we still get all our oil. And I'll add the leftover from the pot. I'll scrape everything out. That's why I love this spatula. It doesn't leave any fluids behind. The pot has cooled down. That's why I'm able to hold it this way. But there we go. Our carrot oil is ready. We are just filtering it. Keep pressing just to get everything out. You can leave it to stand and keep braiding, which I'm going to do. I'll leave it there. Okay. For the second part, I want to use even a more finer strainer, so that I have completely clear oil. These are the glass jars I'm going to use. They open like that, really tight jars. They have a rubber seal to make sure there is no moisture escaping into my oils. And this is where I keep my carrot oil. Okay, let's do this. Second time filtering, just to ensure that nothing is left out. The oil has to cool down completely. You don't want it to be in the jars and it's still not cooled, because it will create moisture, and we avoid the moisture in our container or finished products. Okay, the second jar is ready, just in case we need it. I'll use a double strainer, a jar, glass jar. These Paplex glasses are easy to pour out. I hope it's in view for what you can see. I'm left-handed. Let me try the right hand, right? There. This is the second time filtering my carrot oil. I'll not overfill it. There. And I also use the second jar. Anything left will be held by these tiny nets. You see that? It's so fine. Any fine particles, it will hold it. Okay, guys. That is it for today. That is our carrot oil. All done, cooled down. Now we're using properly sealed glass jars to keep it. And that's it from me, Jacqueline. Thanks for watching. That's my jars. All done. Okay. Hello, JOVIM family. We are done making our carrot oil. This is our carrot oil. Still wearing glass because I'm using it for my customers. It's cooled down, all sealed. Now be adding it to different lotions. I can use it for facial oils. But guys, one advice. This is pure carrot oil. Don't joke around with it and massage it straight to your body. Okay? I'm kindly asking you, JOVIM family, we've done the carrot oil. There is it. We are using a jar that can seal properly. Okay? But please, let me tell you one thing. Okay? When you're using this carrot oil, this carrot oil we've made, or carrot oil that is pure, don't put it straight onto your skin. You'll be damaging it. What we do, we make a glow butter. We use our carrot oil for moisturizing, so that we seal our moisture when we finish the shower and applying the lotion or a cream, whatever you're using to moisturize. That's where you add a little bit. This is the second other jar, or the other jar of carrot oil. We put it in there, blend it nicely, such that it doesn't scald or burn your skin. It will mess up your face if you directly use it. Okay? Don't say I didn't warn you. The other place we put our carrot oil is our glow scrubs. This is turmeric scrub. It's a foaming turmeric scrub. Most of these products, some of you have not tried. Those who have tried them are like, Jacqueline, what is this you made? Wow! Anyway, this is a sample size, okay? This is a sample size of our turmeric foaming scrub, but in it, we have a special carrot oil in it, okay? So don't use it directly. That is the oil. If it's infused either in a scrub or mixed with your moisturizer, whatever you're using, a lotion, or you can get one from JOVIM. This is our glow cream. On JOVIM brands, we call it Eco Cream, okay? So when I say Eco Cream, this is what I mean. When I'm advertising it, I call it glow cream or glow oil, glow this, but it's an Eco Cream here in JOVIM. The brand is called Eco Cream. So if you want to order a turmeric blended moisturizer to seal in the moisture after you finish showering, or you're ready for something, we use the Eco Cream. If you check my YouTube, Facebook, Instagram, we've already advertised this. It's the Eco Cream. So with you now, you know that one of the oils in the Eco Cream, why it is so beautiful to use, is the carrot oil we make from scratch. Don't use carrot oil directly on your skin, guys, okay? From me, Jacqueline, I hope you've enjoyed this video. I hope you're inspired. Thank you for those supporting us. We got t-shirts for our merchandise. JOVIM soap is out in all sizes, only made to order. Prices, call me and I'll let you know, okay? WhatsApp me. I'll leave my WhatsApp number in the description box below. It's on Facebook. It's on WhatsApp. It's also on YouTube, okay? Thank you so much. Connect with me. Facebook, come to JOVIM Skincare Club. Let's chat, okay? Topics there is mental health, homesteading, we have skincare, and then about life. Why not? Thank you so much for listening. Thank you for watching. From JOVIM's, bye-bye.